Okay, so you know, this is good. This is my music box, and
This is
it's
new.
Barbie. So this side, it's the music box. Okay, Barbie, and it's Barbie too. So, and at the back, you will see this. But here, I know it said it's made in China. Made in China there. Okay, so let's open it up. Sorry for that. Sorry for the shouting. Okay, here. This is the music box.
Then you open
I
it.
know.
When you open it, the girl is dancing.
And when you open it, the girl is dancing here, and you wind it up there. I'm so sorry, but this may post. So there's the girl. So although later you'll see its face because it's facing on the mirror. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the drawer. It usually fell off. Okay, you can put here anything you want. Anything. Even though your
Accessories.
accessories. So when you wind it up here, wind it up like this. And when you open it, there's a girl dancing.
And this one.
Yeah. She's beautiful. Okay.
This is how the girl dancing. She's in the mirror.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Next thing, we're gonna put the accessories here. So, here's our accessories.
Sorry.
Hey,
Her room
why
is
me?
so missing it.
Yeah, here. So, this is my accessories. So, it's just not many. Because I don't want any accessories in that one. I just want the music box. But my mother said, put some accessories there. So I put my accessories like my Domo-kun
Necklace.
and my white and black rings and the Hello Kitty rings here. I usually in my watch when I was gonna go blah blah blah. Okay,
Outside?
so that's all here. Now
Yes,
next the drawing. Okay, here's the glitters. I just wanted here the glitters. So if there aren't any more glitters, I can glitters it. Yeah, I'm so bad at English. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay. The best I hated the most is this. The drawers always fell off it. Always at the left. I mean, yeah, left. Okay. So this the lock. Here the lock. When you just put it like that, it won't just budge in. Not. It's not tight. Yeah, it's not tight. And this, when you just push it hard as you can, the girl will fall off. Okay, yeah. You want to see the dancer's face? Yeah, here's. Okay. Then
Now,
ako.
thank you for
Wala
watching.
pa pala.
Ba't mo pinapakita?
Okay.
This is how the girls dancing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like. Thank you.